Hi all, welcome to Sneak in Health. Today I am sharing a recipe of an ice cream which can be enjoyed without any guilt. We only need 4 ingredients for this recipe. This is a 100% vegan sugar-free dish. Here I have taken 10 to 12 cashew nuts which I have soaked in water, and I have taken some soft de-seeded dates which is approximately 10 to 12 in count. And then I have some frozen fruits here. I have taken 2 apples and a kiwi. We are not going to add any sugar or milk in this recipe. So the first step is to grind the soaked cashew. So if you have any plant-based milk like almond milk, you can directly use that. Since I don't have it, I am going to grind this and make my own cashew milk. So let's grind this. So now we have to add the dates to this. So I am using soft dates. If you have hard ones, you have to soak it in warm water for 30 minutes and use it in the recipe. And if you want your ice cream to be more creamier, you need to add more dates and more cashew nut. So we can grind this together and make a fine paste. Now our paste is ready. Now we need to add the frozen fruits. So for this recipe, since we are not adding any sugar to this recipe, we need to make sure that we are using the apples which are very sweet. Here I have used the gala apples, and you can replace these fruits with any of your choice of fruits like banana, mango, berries, any of the seasonal fruits you can use, but you have to make sure it is sweet. And it is very important for the fruits to be frozen for the right texture of the ice cream. And here the skin of the apple gives a nice color to the ice cream, but you have to make sure that your apples are not waxed. If it is waxed, you will have to peel off the skin of the apple and then use it. So now our cream is ready. I will show you the texture. So the skin of the apple has given a color to this ice cream. So now we have to transfer this to a container and then freeze it overnight before using it. So let's transfer it. So after refrigerating, I will show you the texture also. So see you after 8 hours. So after 8 hours, our ice cream is set. It has a beautiful texture and color, you can see. So now let's take some scoop from this ice cream. So I am taking the scoops from the ice cream. You can see the texture and it turned out beautiful. And if you want it more creamier, you need to add more cashew nut. So if you are reducing the amount of cashew nut, it will be more on the sorbet side. So our homemade guilt-free ice cream is ready. You can have it without any guilt. It's full of fruits, it's nutrient rich, so it is ready. Thank you for watching.